So at Ÿnsect, we are basically farming insects in our vertical farm, and we process them into premium ingredients to reinvent the food chain from the soil to the plate. So we are feeding plants, we are feeding farmed animals, we are feeding pets and humans. The full food chain with new and sustainable ingredients, healthy and natural. I mean, initially, I remember well in I think it was in 15 this year, we went to Spain to an event of EIT, and it was already one of the first time we were meeting really significant, so we'll say meaningful investors. So the main contribution of this network for us was meeting investors, because it's when you're building a company, the first thing is connecting to universities to develop the knowledge, and then quickly find financing support, because as a deep tech, you need to invest a lot of money before earning significant cash yourself to auto-finance your own model. So investors are critical in the path and the development of companies like us, deep tech startups. And the EIT network and community was really helpful to connect us to different investors at the European level. A year before, we were starting to know pretty well the French ecosystem, and with EIT, we could start to connect with the full European ecosystem of venture capital, and that was super interesting. And we could create a very good relationship that were fostered after that, and leading to further investment in the future after a couple of years of other European investors, as we have today, investors from not only from France but from Belgium, from Italy, from Switzerland, from England, from Netherlands, so different countries from the European Union or just the geographic Europe. I think it's the opportunity to meet again different European stakeholders. After 2 years of COVID, events are just restarting, and still very limited, and we stay a lot still within the team. So I'm really looking forward to reconnect with different people I know in the sector of the investment community, but also other founders, other CEOs, because we can really it's always good to share best practices and experiences of what has been successful and what didn't work too. It's very important we share that between founders, and just connect to new people we don't know, and also among universities, among the world of science and innovation. So we really look forward for this event in a couple of days in Brussels, definitely.